Garcia versus Drilon is when the husband challenged Vauci as unconstitutional for protecting only women and their children, not men. Gusto niya ng VAMC, di ba? Or he wants the law to be genderless. So this is not violative of the Equal Protection Clause because the law recognizes the unequal power relationship that women are more likely to be victims of violence and the widespread gender bias and prejudice against women. And they make for real differences justifying the classification. Kaya diniscriminate ang mga lalaki. Diba? That's why we had to classify the sexes. So the law applies to women and children who suffer abuse. So, sabi ng court, number one, there is a valid classification. Women are disproportionately victims of domestic violence. There are statistics to this. There are criminal records to support this. The distinction is germane. It is relevant to the purpose of the law, addressing domestic violence. Diba? The law applies equally, applies to all women and children who suffer violence, no selective application. Diba? Even lesbians, it applies to lesbians. And women can also be offenders, as recent jurisprudence have said, diba?